Another breaking news coming in. The Bharatiya Janata Party has released its third candidate list for Delhi Assembly polls. In its third list for the Delhi election, the BJP has announced only one candidate, fielding Mohan Singh Bisht for the Mustafabad seat. Mohan Singh Bisht had earlier expressed disappointment with the BJP for denying him a ticket from his stronghold, Karawal Nagar, and fielding Kapil Mishra, a former AAP leader. We have with us my colleague Mehndi Garg joining us on the telecast. Mehndi, who are the top contenders that have been announced in this list?
Well, yes, Riya, we can say that BJP has rushed to placate the outgoing MLA from Karawal Nagar after the ticket from his current seat was given to Kapil Mishra. So now Mohan Singh Bisht has been announced in the third list, who has been given the ticket from Mustafabad in the third list of candidates. The only name that is there in the third list is of Mohan Singh Bisht, and also Bisht, who has won all except one assembly election from Karawal Nagar since 1998, also mentioned that how BJP thinks they will field anyone and he will win because he was not, given ticket from Karawal Nagar, and Kapil Mishra was chosen apart from him. And on that, Mohan Singh Bisht also showed his, problem on that also, and he mentioned that this is a big mistake of giving Kapil Mishra the ticket from that seat. And apart from that, Mohan Singh Bisht also expressed confidence that he would win the Mustafabad seat for the BJP. And apart from that, he mentioned that how he met the national president and the things were ironed out in between the party leaders. And he also assured that he will contest from Mustafabad and will win the seat for the party. And apart from that, Mohan Singh Bisht also mentioned that how the BJP had considered support in Mustafabad, and he has already attended 2 public meetings as of now. And another protest at the BJP office voiced resentment over the candidate fielded from Tughlakabad, Vikram Biduri. Tum sangharsh karo, Modi se bair nahi. Such kind of statements are coming from the protesters. And apart from that, in the second list also, the BJP candidate Rohtas Biduri was fielded from the Tughlakabad seat. So yes, as of now, we can say that 3 lists have been announced by the Bharatiya Janata Party, in which, as of now, 59 candidates have been announced by the BJP, and some of them are facing a retaliation from the seats. And in that retaliation, Mohan Singh Bisht was also the one. And after that retaliation only, Riya, now Mohan Singh Bisht has also been given ticket from Mustafabad. Yes, Riya.